Being a student can be tough. Between classes, homework, and trying to maintain some semblance of a social life, it can be hard to find the time to make extra money. Luckily, there are plenty of online jobs that can help students earn money on their own time. In this video, we'll be going over the 5 best online jobs for students to earn money. Number 1. Online tutoring. If you excel in a certain subject, you can make money by tutoring other students online. There are plenty of websites that allow you to sign up as a tutor, such as Chegg or TutorMe. Number 2. Video editing. If you have a knack for editing videos, you can find freelance work online. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork allow you to create a profile and advertise your services. Number 3. Photography. If you have a camera and an eye for detail, you can make money by selling your photos online. Websites like Shutterstock and iStock allow you to upload your photos and earn money when they're downloaded. Number 4. Web design. If you have experience with web design, you can find freelance work creating websites for clients. Websites like Freelancer and 99 Designs allow you to create a profile and find clients. Number 5. Blogging. If you enjoy writing, you can make money by starting a blog. You can monetize your blog through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsored posts. Those are the 5 best online jobs for students to earn money. With a little time and effort, you can start making money on your own terms. Thanks for watching.